Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I'm showing you the latest update for the Twitomatic plugin because Twitter API got updated to V2 and the Twitomatic plugin is also updated now to match the changes. So in the latest plugin version, you will see keyword search to post V2 API. This is the latest feature that the plugin got. Also, the older features that were available until now, the V1.1 API were kept and they are still functional. But I am not sure when Twitter will deactivate the V1.1 API and if they will leave functional only the V2 API, probably somewhere in 2023, I guess, or even 2024. Not sure of this because they did not release yet a statement on this. However, let me show you the new features of the V2 API because they are really cool, especially when compared with the V1.1 API, which was more rigid. So let me set up an example rule. So first of all, go to the plugin's main settings and be sure to refresh your API key. So for this, hover over the question mark, click here, and sorry, you should see here a project and an app, a development app. And here, create an app if you don't have already one, and click settings, go to keys and tokens and create or regenerate your token here and copy the key and secret here in the plugin settings. Afterwards, save app info and go to the keyword search to post. Here you will be able to set up your first importing rule for Twitomatic. So if you haven't heard of Twitomatic, I will link it in this video's description. Okay, so keyword search is much more flexible now. So if you hover your mouse here on the question mark, click on this link and you will see that this is the official documentation of the Twitter API, and you will be able to use order logic, double quotes to do exact matches. You will be able to do this has mentions, has media, or has links to filter posts which have media, which have links, which have mentions, which is retweet, has links, and logic or logic, not logic, and they will give you many examples on how you can use this new keyword search feature. So for example, if you want to search for skiing and not for snow or day or no school, only for skiing and without these terms, this is something which is possible. Also, they give many more examples and many more operators that you can use. You can set the language here in the search options without retweets. So if you want to exclude retweets, for example, write minus is retweet, minus is retweet, language English, and many more options. So you can see down here that they give pretty complex examples on what is possible with this new feature. Okay, so here they give their operators, URL, retweets of context, entity, list, place. There are tons of features which are included now in the V2 version of this API. You can also search for languages, for geolocations, has videos, images, media, mentions, links, hashtags, and many more. But now let me go ahead and grab here an example rule. So for example, let's copy this and paste it in the keyword search that we will be doing now, and let's import 3 tweets. Also, let's add, for example, the has media just for fun. So let's add here has media, language English, without birthday, without retweets, happiness. Save settings. Let's check our site. It's empty, and let's run importing. And now the plugin will run and it will grab tweets, and it is already successful because the green check mark appeared. And here it is. The happiness related tweets. As we can see that this is a bit mixed language, but Twitter detected it as English because yeah, it has also some English in it. But let's switch to, for example, laptop, and without iMac, for example, just from the top of my head, and let's run another scraping, and here it is, a tweet about some foldable laptop tablet. Okay, so keep in mind that you will have this feature. Also, another cool thing to have in this new version is if you click settings, you will see list tweets from this date and list tweets until this date. So keep in mind that Twitter API now returns tweets only at max 7 days old. So you should enter here dates which are no longer periods than 7 days. You can put here exact dates, for example the 30th of July 2022, or you can also add dynamic dates, so min minus 5 days. This will also work. Also, you can sort the tweets by relevancy or recency. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this update. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.